We are atop a volcano. Here's Nick and Natalie.
Oh, Nick and Natalie. It sounds like Nick and Natalie because my brother's name is Nick.
See the little gecko guy there?
Ah!
Oh, he's gonna get burned.
There's a gecko. Watch out, little guy. The smoke is from the volcano.
If you look for little green specks,
Here we go.
those are parrots.
I'm going up.
Oh, wow.
Parrots live around here?
Parrots.
Down here?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I mean little parrots, not like big ones, little parrots.
Huh.
Well, we're on top of the crater mountain. Amy moved her camera. Here's Aiden, here's Ash. And this is incredible.
I feel like Frodo on Lord of the Rings.
Sulfur. That's why you keep
Drop my ring. Whoa. Okay, now we're gonna climb all the way up to this cross. And there's Lake Managua way back there. Here's our van. Yep, here we are. This is the end of the first week of our trip.